Great day everybody, my name is Major and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another product review. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and the reason why I'm doing this one is because I think a lot of people may have problems when dealing with noise when they're trying to sleep. For example, I have difficulty sleeping properly when there's someone snoring and I can hear them, like for example this one. Yeah, so it's just a uh, sound effect on the background. I hope you can hear it. So this thing that I bought, this is a safety earmuff. Wait, let me turn that off. It's a safety earmuff. This has been rated as one of the best for trying to address, for trying to, shut the noise outside you. So I'll try to put this on. So I bought this from a local store. It's a reseller, and so far I think it looks legit. So I'm going to open it. So it comes like this. It's got plastic, it's got a brand on the side, and also has this, let me take the box down. Oh, I just want to show you the rating. Let's try to focus on that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's rated for 34 decibels. I'm not sure if it's clear. Doesn't appear to be clearing up for some reason. But anyway, yeah, it's rated for 34 decibels. Noise reduction. It's got a snug fit, comfortable. It's small and light. What else? Yeah, that's it. So it comes with this. It's an instruction manual. It's the only thing inside the box together with the earmuffs. And let me open this. It contains some instruction on how you should use it. It's just 3 main steps. You can use the box and open this wide and clip it around the box so that you can loosen it up if it's too tight. So yeah, there's nothing else here. I'm going to try this right now. So I'm going to play the snoring again. Oops. How does this work? Sorry. Check the adjustable connector signing up and down. Make sure the muffs this work perfectly. Oh, okay. Too tight? How do I adjust this? It's no longer adjustable. Right. Oh wow, okay. Oh, okay, so yeah, it shuts off the noise. Uh, However, I can still hear the snoring. I think these kinds of devices are, let me see the instructions at the back. I think it's best against impulse noise, like, when you're firing a gun or something. But if the noise is something that's just constant, yeah, you can still hear it. I can still hear this level of snoring. But obviously, the device from where the sound is coming from is right in front of me. So I will try to test this tonight to see if it works, and I'll just pin it in the comments to see if it was able to help me sleep. because to be honest, I really have a hard time sleeping when there's noise in the background, like any kind of interactive noise or something, any annoying noise. White noise is fine, like a fan or something, but yeah, something that, uh, what kind of noise? I don't know how to classify the kind of noise that I'm annoyed with. Let's just call them interactive noise. Something that makes you think of something, right? So when you hear snoring, you think of the person snoring, you think of the air getting stuck in the throat or something, or maybe that's just me overthinking. But anyway, yeah, I have trouble sleeping. I will try this tonight to see if it will improve my sleeping performance. Oh wait, you know what? I've tried sleeping with white noise. It does reduce the amount of external noise I hear. So I just hear the white noise. So maybe while the snoring sound is playing, I will also play a white noise. Wait. And I will test it with this one. I don't know why I am like this, but it's really annoying. You know, lack of sleep just really ruins your day or something. Okay, so let's try this. This is the white noise. Okay, so I'll try to put this here right in front as well. So it does counter some of the snoring noises, and now I'd like to see if putting this will finally make my mind that's better. Well, the white noise helps. Yeah, it helps a bit. But yeah, I can still hear the snoring. It recommends here though that you can put earplugs together with this to, further reduce the noise. So let me see if I can find something to put on my ear. Just say tissue or something. I don't know if it'll do anything. Let's do this. Get out the white noise first. Oh god. I can still hear the snore. I mean, this is not proper earplugs anyway, so. Yeah, I can still hear it a bit. But yeah, the earmuffs does it significantly reduces the noise. I guess the challenge for me now is just to not overthink or something. I don't know. So yeah, it does reduce noise. I think these kinds of devices are much better for impulse noises like gunfire, but for constant noise, it's just, like snoring, it's not gonna be that effective. So that's it. The brand was For Sho, and yeah, I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, it's For Sho Safety Ear Muffs, maximum hearing protection, uh, 34 decibels of noise reduction. So I'll try this tonight if I need it, and thank you all for watching.